United Nations and government. It was government, provincial, federal, both, and it was 4 to 5 days mission where the teams had gone to each of the districts to compile data. And as far as number of cleared is concerned, it's still not certain. But the second part is that no one has reached them is not right, because every place is being served either by boats or by helicopters. Both by Army and Pakistan Navy, they have both the resources available, and they are driving on every day, trying to locate people who might have been stranded, and those who are, they've been approached and accessed and being motivated to come back to safe places. But for whatever reason, they don't want to part with their place, and they prefer staying on. And to them, we are trying to supply the rations continuously wherever they are. Soon after we are through with the rescue, we are into relief anyway. And along with the relief, when the water starts receding, people start moving back. And there is a likelihood that whenever there is a stagnant water, it definitely has is a breeding heaven for the mosquitoes and other insects. And in order to save from these kind of epidemics, we already sent our teams with spray guns, and they are already spraying in those areas so that it doesn't take place. And luckily, so far, no big epidemic has taken place. Well, few deaths here and there. They are understandable because of lack of resistance in the body. They are getting medical help. They are being served through medical camps and through other medicines as well. Medicines are already being supplied through government of Sindh, by federal government and WHO both. So, biggest challenge for us is to manage their early recovery as soon as they start moving back. The issue is that their houses where they used to live in the past were all mud houses. Either they would have collapsed or they would not be worth living. They would be dangerous anyway. And the biggest loss would be to find them immediate shelters before the winter sets in. The tent that we are supplying now, they're just water resistant, good enough for the rainwater. But for winter, they might not really be very useful. We have to find some quick solution within the next 2 months to make sure that they are not exposed to winter.
That was Zafar.